There were nights I sat on that cold front porch with a heart full of hurt and a soul half torched. Whiskey tears and a worn-out prayer, asking God how the hell I got there. I gave my trust like it was free to hands that never held on to me. Kept pouring love in a broken cup till I finally said, enough's enough. Yeah, I've been alone, yeah, I've been down, facing the dirt on the edge of this town. But I rose from the dust, I found my grace, turned every scar into strength I embrace. I ain't who I was, I ain't that pain. I walked through fire and danced in the rain. I let it go, every grudge, every blame, set them all free, didn't carry their shame. Now I stand tall, unafraid to say I'm stronger, 'cause I chose not to stay. I used to replay every word they said, like a ghost just living inside my head. But I cut those ties, I broke those chains, stopped letting their hurt run through my veins. Forgiveness ain't saying it was okay, it's taking my power back my way. It's closing the door without looking behind, and finally getting some peace of mind. I stopped bleeding for wounds not mine. That's the moment I started to shine. Yeah, I rose from the dust, I found my grace, turned every scar into strength I embrace. I ain't who I was, I ain't that pain. I walked through fire and danced in the rain. I let it go, every grudge, every blame, set them all free, didn't carry their shame. Now I stand tall, unafraid to say I'm stronger, 'cause I chose not to You can hear it in my voice, you can see it in my eyes. I've been through hell and came out alive. They tried to break me, but they made me tough. Didn't know my strength till I'd had enough. Yeah, I thank the pain for showing me just how strong this heart can be. I didn't fall, I found my way through the storm. I chose to stay.